Yeah, hello viewers. Welcome to Pharma Job Vacancy Odisha. Viewers, in today's video, we are going to discuss about the vacancies for area business manager and vacancies for experienced person. Also, maximum vacancies for experienced person in different parts of Odisha. So, without wasting our time, start the video. So, the first vacancy is for area sales manager. Yeah, and the company name is Univentis Medicare Limited. It is a medium-sized company, but having a good market presence overseas. Division segment is not known, but backend location is Cuttack. Yeah, at least having 3 years of area sales manager experience in Cuttack headquarter will be a advantage. So it will increase the chance of getting this opportunity. And qualification is graduation required, and age criteria is below 35 years. You have to drop your update CV to hr@univentis.com. Contact details is not available. The next company is Micro Labs Limited. This is a very well-known pharmaceutical company. The job role is medical representative. Division is ophthalmic. Segment is ophthalmology. You have to deal with the ophthalmology products. And the location is Bhubaneswar. At least having 6 months of market experience will increase the chances of getting this opportunity. And the qualification is graduation required, and age category is below 28 years. You have to contact 977-800-8001 is the regional sales manager number. The next company is Kepler Healthcare. This is also a newly launched but having a medium-sized company but a good presence in pan-India market. Job role is medical representative. Division segment is not known. Backend location is Barampur. At least having 1 year of experience required to apply for this post, and qualification is graduation is compulsory. Age criteria is below 28 years. You have to contact 7008-543-550 or 923-8888-812. Okay. These are the concerned person mobile number. There you can get information about the interview details. So the next company is Clitech Healthcare India Limited. It is also a medium-sized company. Job role is medical representative. Vacant location is Bhubaneswar as well as Cuttack. For both this location, recruitment is going on, and division also of Tal. You have to deal with the product related to ophthalmology. So the next experience is at least 1 year required in same headquarter, and qualification is graduation required. Age category is below 26 years. Contact details 99371-89961 is the concerned person mobile number. Next is Gufic Healthcare Gufic Healthcare Limited. It is also a medium-sized pharmaceutical company. Job role is medical representative. Division segment is not known. Vacant location is Barampur. At least having 1 year of experience required to apply for this post in same headquarter, and qualification is graduation required. Age criteria is below 28 years. You have to contact 787-661-800 is the concerned person mobile number. Next is Lloyd Healthcare Private Limited. This is also a very good company to go work on. And the job role is medical representative. Division is cardio and diabetic, and segment also you have to deal with the cardio and diabetic products. Second location is Sambalpur. 2 years of experience required in same headquarter, and qualification graduation is must, and age criteria is below 30 years. You have to contact 9437963299 is the regional sales manager contact number. Next is Indico Remedies Limited. This is also a very good company, top 50 companies in the pharmaceutical sector in Indian market. Job role is in medical representative. Division segment is not known. Backend location is Sambalpur. At least having 6 months of market experience required to apply for this post in same headquarter, and qualification is graduation required. Below 28 years is the age criteria. You have to contact 7608824714 is the area business manager number. Next is Bennett Pharmaceuticals. It is also Odisha managed pharmaceutical company. Job role is medical representative. Vacant location is Balangir. At least having 1 year of same headquarter experience required to apply for this post, and the qualification requires graduation, and age criteria is below 30 years. You have to contact Bibhu Patra 1983@gmail.com, or you can contact him directly at 1114-368-530. Next is TTK Healthcare Limited. This is also a very good company to work on. By division vacancy is Indira, and job role is medical representative. Vacancies locations are Anugul as well as Dhenkanal. At least 1 year of experience required to apply for this post, and the graduation is the minimum qualification required to apply. Age criteria is below 27 years, and you have to drop your update CV to sudhi.rp@ttkehealthcare.com, or can contact him directly. 700818 7643 is the regional sales manager contact number. The next is Juventus Healthcare Limited. This is also a very good company, top 50 companies in the pharmaceutical sector, Indian pharmaceutical sector. Job role is medical representative. Division is cardio and diabetic. You have to deal with the cardio and diabetic products. And the vacant location is Bhubaneswar. Actually, I have uploaded this vacancy information few weeks before also. Still, the recruitment is going on. If you miss that time the chance, then you can apply for this post. To apply for this, you have to at least 6 months of market experience required in same headquarter, and the qualification is graduation required. Age criteria is below 28 years. You have to contact 94371 75076 is the area business manager number. And so these are the today's vacancy. The maximum companies are very well known pharmaceutical company, and some of the medium sized company, and also uploaded one vacancy regarding area sales manager in Cuttack headquarter. So I hope it will help you to change your company or to grab new opportunity in different companies. So share this video to your friends and colleagues, and thank you. So subscribe to our channel for regular updates on related vacancies. Thank you.